Ladies, can you tell me why you keep having sex and kids with men that you feel like can't tell you nothing? See, I don't understand this whole, you ain't my husband, you can't tell me what to do. You don't make as much money as I do, you can't tell me what to do. So you mean to tell me he can pour into your uterus but not your life? Y'all sound stupid as hell. That's the dumbest thing that I have ever heard. Because you constantly popping your pussy on him, but he ain't good enough to give you guidance. He not good enough to give you direction. You mean to tell me he ain't got nothing to offer you besides dick? Is that all? Is that what you're saying? He don't got no book that you need to read to enhance your life. He don't got no diet secret for your fat ass. He ain't got nothing that he can give to you. So why you having sex with him? Why you sleeping with him? See, I'm so sick of y'all hoes, I don't know what to do. But I'm going to tell you what, men, if they can't take your direction, don't give them the dick. Because they getting out of hand, don't know how to be corrected, and ain't nobody got time for that. Seriously.
Because black men are least likely to be given a crutch when times get hard. If you look back over history, when a black woman can't feed her child, she gets a check from the government. When a black man can't feed his child, he goes to jail. So for right now, we're not really concerned about whether somebody likes us. Black men have started to step and be more logical, and they're going to save the country. I think that the black community does actually need strong nuclear families, but not because we're black, but because that's the natural order. Because when God looked at man, he said it's not good for man to be alone. He gave him a woman. He didn't give him a village. He didn't give him the community. He said, be fruitful and multiply to this man and this woman. So it's supposed to be God, husband, wife, child, and that's the natural order. And that's why I think we can see some of the foolishness that we see in the black community, because we are out of order. And we can make up all of this stuff that sounds good. I'm from a single parent home, and I'm not somewhere cracked out in the street selling my body. However, that is not ideal. It would have been better for me to be in God's order, to have a mother and a father to raise me. And that's just what it is. You know, the effect that it's had, we've had women for generations now saying that they don't need a man, and we have boys that don't want to be one.